looking real good.
Oh, hi there, everyone. I'm your girl, Norleen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I have for you another of Jamaica's finest cooking experience.
Salt, this some scallion, garlic, and all-purpose season. This some real Jamaican Maggi season. And we have jerk sauce all done. I have two different one here. This the Boston jerk sauce.
Welcome, family and friends, to Wim's Kitchen. I know you've seen the title, so you know it's gonna go down in a major way in the kitchen today. With me is my friend Sue, who will share with you how we prepare oven jerk chicken, Jamaican style.
Some garlic salt, some cayenne pepper, and we have some complete seasoning.
Okay.
And we also have
Green blended seasoning, finely chopped ginger and garlic, and allspice. You can check my description box for a link with the content of my green seasoning.
Pepper, kind of cut
More pepper on it?
More pepper on it and thing. And cut up some onion.
Now, guys, as you can see, you're in for a spicy treat. Remember to subscribe to my channel, people, and share it with your friends. Tell them come over here, so, because I'll be a niceness over here, so. Just in case you're wondering, guys, the chicken was cleaned and washed before we begin the season. It's 20 pounds of chicken, and we're going to cook it in 2 parts.
So separate it in 2 parts.
Separate it in 2 parts, and then we're going to put on some jerk season pan it now.
Ooh, that's a hot one?
Oh, yes.
Oh, Jesus, that's hot.
When you go hot like pepper, you know.
Add to that, people, finely chopped ginger and garlic and 3 tablespoons of blended seasoning.
Put some browning on it.
Yes, I'm going to add a little browning. Kind of help with a little color.
How much? About a teaspoon?
Yeah, about a teaspoon.
One more than that? 1/2, okay.
Yeah. Well, you know, we Jamaican, we like doing, you know, we not really measure like that, you know.
She's so correct, guys. For many of us, we've been cooking from a tender age, so we know how much flavors and spices to add to our food.
Rub in this, and rub it in. And no nothing funny. I'll be a nice, one nice place.
I know you're enjoying the video, but I can't help but share with you the food for thought for today. Romans 16, verse 17. I urge you, brothers and sisters, to watch out for those who have caused division and put obstacles in your way that are contrary to the teaching you have learned. Keep away from them.
Sit down for half an hour. Half an hour later, we're setting it up into the pan. And then we're going to put it into the oven. Because we don't have any jerk pan.
Remember, guys, to like and subscribe to Wim's Kitchen. Turn on your post notification so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Remember, share my channel with your friends and encourage them to subscribe so they can learn how to prepare Jamaican and Caribbean foods. Also, follow me on Instagram at Wim's Kitchen. Like my page on Facebook at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. Share your thoughts about this video or make suggestions of meals that you'd like to see me prepare in the comment section.
Just put in a little season, leave out. And you know it's already.
Get out all of that season out of the
Yeah,
pan.
we're going to mix up
Okay,
all of the
little
seasoning
bit.
out of the pan. And then we throw it in here just to get a little. Okay.
Put it in the oven.
Covering the pan. Then I'm gonna put her in the oven. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Put her in the oven. And there we go. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm just turning them over. Just turn them over.
So you get color on the other side.
Right, and then now leave it open. I take off the foil and then I'm gonna leave it open now so that it will dry out and get that nice dryness, because it's practically cooked.
Okay.
But a little bit too much liquid is in there now.
A cup of stock was removed from the chicken, guys, and I will show you in just a minute how we are going to make a bar sauce to be added to the jerk chicken.
Nice, you know.
I'm going to put a little bit more.
Jerk season in there.
Yeah, you want to come with more flavor and nice sauce,
Yeah,
right?
man, want a flavor and nice sauce and no, look up a nice, yes, look up tip of color in it, and so I'm gonna throw it back on the thing, you know, no? It's gonna see, you know. You know, now you have to put up like a season and spice him up back on. Some more spice.
The sauce was poured over the chicken and it was placed into the oven for an additional 10 minutes.
Alright, it's been working out over 10 minutes. So this jerk chicken is all done.
So there it is, guys. It's another of my mother's favorite, done by my friend Sue. Wake up yourself all the time, Jamaican connection and link straight. Family and friends, it was my pleasure being in the kitchen with you today, doing for you oven jerk chicken Jamaican style. Thank you for staying in the kitchen with me.